In this video, I want to talk about how you can create a pie on Trading 212. Now this is really simple, guys. You can use your mobile app or you can use the website and simply click on this pie chart right here. And once you're in here, what you want to do is scroll down and click create a pie. Now once you do this, you can do custom or you can choose any of their models or you can follow from people that have already posted ones. But to make a custom one, just click here and add your instruments. Then you simply want to find the ones that you want to add. So I'll just choose something random, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Amazon, and let's just choose one more. So Coca-Cola and this one. Now we have 5 of them. So click next. And now you can see all 5 will be in here and we can select how much percentage they should cover each. So right now it's just 20, 20, 20, 20, but if you want one to only be 10 and another 30, you can do that and then simply press next. And then here you can select auto invest or you can choose manually which one you can choose. That's up to you. Then go next, and after that you will have created your pie chart. So that is basically how it works, and then you can find it inside of here right after. Now I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.